What's up, everyone? Back at it again with the juice. All right, I kind of forgot what we have going, so let's just build it real quick and see what we're working with. Oh, I forgot my blue light. Oh, I forgot to build before starting. Now it's gonna take forever for the first build, but that's just how it goes. Attaching, very good. Very nice. Okay, cool. Yeah. So one thing we're gonna eventually do is we're gonna turn each one of these little segments into a component, into a class, so that like this whole clipper group right here is gonna be one component, contained within a class. It'll make managing and, it'll even make like the code much cleaner because it'll be all confined into like its own file. So I think let's just do that right now. It's good to learn if you don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna put it in this UI components, and let's see, I'm gonna go into the producer, and here it is, the LV template. And let's see, we're going to the file explorer, we're going to UI components, and we'll say new component class between CPP and header. Okay, let's see, what should I call it? I guess just LV clipper. Oh no, LV clipper component, not to be confused with the clipper in the DSP folder. So it might have been good to call this LV clipper DSP or something. Create files. Yep, that's correct. And then, so what does this give us? Where'd it go? Okay, so you can see it has a paint and a resize method as well as a constructor, kind of like our main editor. So we can basically treat this the same way. So what would be a good place to start? So we're gonna basically take everything that has to do with the what's it called, the clipper. So clip group dial, yeah, okay. I think we're gonna need to include our widgets, but let's just go ahead and grab this. We also need the clip group. And yeah, it's gonna say, hey, I don't know what any of this stuff is. And that's because we need this. And we'll see if that works. Okay, so I think just the file path might be wrong. Widgets, widget includes, that's it right there. Okay, so that should be good. Okay, we're good. So now we basically just have to kind of go in here and, you know, paste everything that we need. Oh yeah, plus we're gonna need the constructors for all of these. So basically all of this. So we'll put that, oh wait, can I do it the same way? It'll say that, which I'm not like a C++ master. We've got that with the little parentheses, and we've got, yep, parentheses, and it says, okay, so I guess this means inherits from audio processor editor. So what happens, can I just do this? No, I cannot. But you know what I can do? We're gonna call this, this is what you call a pro gamer move. Okay, is that the fader? A fader. Okay. Ceiling. This is the boring part, but I promise you, once you do all this, it makes the project way more manageable, concise, easy to read, all that good stuff. Mix. You know what I should do? I'm gonna go into my Stream Deck, and I have I think it'd be very convenient. Watch, I'll show you. I want to put the brackets in my Stream Deck. This is the window I'm on to do Xcode stuff. I've got, well, I guess I could put it in the code snippets, but then it doesn't really make a lot of sense. I might take these out, like the rename and the method thing, because those are easy. Those aren't key commands. You just right click. So like refactor, extract a function, find whatever. So I guess it doesn't really make sense to have those in there. I was just real excited to use it. Just and rename. So yeah, let me do this. System text. I want to give it the same little background as these right here. Blank. Okay. That works, I think. Okay, so let's test it. Trim dial. Yep, that works. Yeah, I hate having to move my hand to the other side of the keyboard, especially whenever I'm streaming, because the microphone's kind of in the way and this makes everything easier. Okay, so those are the components. We can get these out of the way. Now, we're gonna need the stuff from the constructor. So I think I'm just gonna take all of this. Clip stuff. And put that in this constructor. I don't think we need to say set size. So let's go into resized, and we are gonna need, I think we're gonna need width and height. So how did I do that in the window component? I said, no, the window component. I said void set width and height. And then set width and height. Okay. So I'll say void set width and height like that. We'll put that in this clipper component. Put that down here. Then I'll also need a width and height variable. So let's just take that. That ought to be okay. Which means that now I can take this stuff, go into the resize function, and we don't need oversampling window component. We don't need the pre stuff, just the clip stuff. And let's see if it tells us that any of these are unused. If they're unused, I will. Okay. So we are relying on another component to get its X and Y position. So we can figure out a way around that. We could potentially pass this info to this component. Actually, I think if we just say 0, so if we say 0, whenever we go into the main editor and place this clipper component, I think it'll just work out. Yeah, I think, yeah, because we're going to need to put it anyway. So well, let's take all this clip stuff out of there and the constructor. Okay. Okay. Let's just make sure it builds. It's not going to do anything yet, but okay, so we need to pass it the audio processor in some kind of way. So did I do that for the window? I think I did. At least I thought I did. Maybe not. I thought I did because I thought that's how it's being saved, but that's being done somewhere else. So, okay, what would be the best way to pass the audio processor? Okay, so it wants an audio processor, so we could say, I guess we could pass it. We could require it in the constructor. So So a reference to a juice audio processor. And then what do we do with it? I guess we could have and then I don't know, maybe in the constructor say, oh wait, then we would need that. No matching member function call to add and make visible. Why? Is this good enough? Oh, let's just call it audio processor so I don't get confused. Yeah, let's say audio processor. Audio processor. What's up with add and make visible? If I go in my window, don't I do add and make visible? Ain't. What's wrong with add and make visible? I don't understand. Apparently we don't need left margin, so whatever. Oh wait, you know what? Audio processor, and then what? Oh, yeah, because we haven't passed it yet. Okay, whatever. So, whatever. Anyway, I don't understand no matching member function for add and make visible. Anyway, let me look at one that I've done this already before. Synth tutorial. Okay. I thought it was synth tutorial. Is there another one? Oh wait, it might not be in GitHub. Bro, I know I didn't delete this. I could have swore it was in the synth one. Because nothing else in here looks familiar in terms of turning something. I thought it was the synth one. Because I'm pretty sure when I learned how to do it, it was from the audio programmer's synth tutorial. Oh, this is it. It's this ADSR component. So we've got these dials. Okay. Okay, well, this says add and make visible. Init ADSR dials. Wait, where's that at? Dials, okay. What the hell? Right here, I'm doing add and make visible. Weird. But then if I go into the main stuff right here, so you make a component and then you say add and make visible that component, blah blah blah. And let me comment that out for now. Let me go into here and I'll do this and I'll say flipper component, and I'll say I'll just put it down here for now. What is it, LV? No, is it juice LV? Okay. And audio processor. And then if I just go here and I say flipper, oh, add and make visible. Clipper component. Clipper stuff. Okay, so I guess it had to be instantiated for add and make visible to work. I don't know. And then what about this? Does this work now? Variable cannot be implicitly captured in a lambda with no capture default specified. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna put this ampersand instead of this. No. What? No member named drive in juice audio processor. I beg to differ. It's right here. Okay, and I'm passing it the audio processor. But what did I do? Oh, I bet. Okay, I bet the issue is that right here in the header, the audio processor isn't made yet. So that might be why. I'll go there and then I'll go into the actual constructor and say Clipper component. Say audio processor. I wonder if that is the issue. Bro. Maybe I just can't do it like this. And this isn't the way that it's gonna eventually actually work. What we're gonna eventually do is just pass the tree. So maybe we should just do that. Let's look at this. Where is it at? ADSR component. Instead of passing the, yeah, so we're saying the tree. And tree, I'll just get rid of this lambda. And then we got to pass it. Let's see how I did it in the other one. If we go into the constructor, audio processor.tree state. Okay. So like this. Tree. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh wait, do I not have a tree state? I do. So what is your deal? Oh wait, you know what? It's still not gonna work. Are you kidding me? Oh. Nope, still not gonna work. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna take that out. And pass it the audio processor. Okay, whatever. Let's do this real quick. Let's go into resized and I'm gonna comment this out for a second. Let's see, I said clipper component. Yep. We just need to do something like this. Clipper component dot set bounds. So I think it's gonna be the same as this, but with the pre-group instead of the clip group. So we're gonna say pre-group get X width plus that, and then this one was 48. Okay. Oh, semicolon. Ah, okay. So I think it's in the right spot. That's good. We just need to go back into here and get rid of all this stuff. Let me see what the ADSR component has in its paint method. It just has fill all colors black, so I don't know what's wrong. Oh, I didn't call set width and height. I hope that's all it is. Very close. Only issue is let's see. Wonder why it was offset like that. Clip group, top margin. Maybe I should say 0 instead of top margin. Yeah, that makes sense. The same thing. Because we want... Yeah, okay. Okay, so here's why that worked. So imagine whenever I have a clipper component now, when I say set bounds, whatever I set in the plugin editor is going to be, this point's could be 0, 0, right? So whenever I was in here and I said left margin and top margin, it was being drawn right here in the plugin editor, and then I was saying top margin and left margin, so it was coming over by that much. So it looks like I need to do the same thing for the slider. Flip group dot get Y. Let's see. That's weird. wonder why that's not working. Clip group.get x, clip group.get y times, I don't know, 4? I can't even tell. 12. That should be a big difference. But it's not moving. Clip group.get height. Why is it not moving? Is there something left over? Okay, clipper component. Regroup, clipper component. Regroup, regroup. Oh, okay, I think maybe what I should do is I think maybe for clip group, it's the border. So I think I need to make it the size of the entire component. So I need to say get local bounds probably. And then maybe now I can say clip group dot get y, I don't know, times 12 again to see if it changes it. This doesn't make sense. Why is everything in the right spot? If everything's pretty much in the right spot, which means that this code is working. So why does changing it not do anything if the code works? I mean, times 100 should make it off of the screen. Bro, what? Hold up. Maybe that's why. Maybe I should do this. Okay, I think I'm starting to understand what the issue is. instead of passing it, let me look at the ADSR, because let's see, where does it set the ADSR? Oh wait, hold up. Uh, okay, that's what I expected. Bro, what? Let's see what it says the get Y is. Oh, it's 0. Oh yeah, oh man, I'm stupid. Hold up. I don't even know. Get Y plus, I guess, top margin, so that it, okay. And then oh, let me get left margin. Okay, so I see. I just need to redo my left and top margin for this inner component, and I think we're okay. Okay, let's take these back in so that we can see what the layout looks like. Okay, so dials need to be larger because now the width and the height is much smaller. Okay. Better. Oh, you know what I could do? Go back to, what was it, by 0.1, and then I'll just say width, which is the parent plugin window width. So that should put it back to what it was like before, hopefully. Okay, yeah. I just need to bring this over a little bit. Plus left margin is that. So I don't know, go back down to like 05. That's decent. Yeah, okay, there we go. Cool. So now you see how it works. Let me play this again. Okay. So if we think of this group right here as a component contained within itself, because it is a module, so we have the pre-tone module, the clipper module, and the post-tone module. And since we're thinking of it as a module, it's an object, which means a class, right? So we've made a component class called clipper component, where everything is contained within that component in here. That way in the main plugin, all you have to worry about is calling add and make visible on this component and then resize on that component. Okay. And let's see. So the only thing we're gonna have to do is let's connect the, well, sorry. Let's clean up everything that we don't need now. So all of this. We just have the clipper component. We don't need this clip group, any of that. And you can see now our header is going to clean up a lot. Is that it? We'll use errors to tell us what we missed, and it looks like we didn't miss anything. Looks okay. Okay, and nothing weird happens when I move everything. The dials are there. So trim, negative 6 to 24, high pass filter, mix 0 to 100, ceiling, whatever. And then if I resize it, yep, the resizing works. Beautiful. Okay. And let's see, I can go into here and take out that that debug statement. That's gonna bother me. It's also gonna probably use more CPU. Cool. Let's connect the drive to an attachment. So we can say, I think we have one already. Drive 0 to 24. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna need to have access to this params def thing. So let's go into this header and we'll say this. We'll copy that and put that into here. And I think this file name should work. It should be the same thing. Oh, no. Is it 2 dots? Two dots. You know what? Also, oh, never mind. So let's make an attachment. So this is a dial attachment. So I'm gonna put it under drive. Go into my stream deck and say, I got a button called attachment header, which very cool. We can go ahead and move this up there. So we've got drive fader attach. Okay. And then we can go into here into the what's it called, constructor, and we'll say drive, and we'll say using slider attachment, keep that up there, and we'll say drive fader attach is equal to that, and we're gonna say audio processor dot tree state. Okay, so maybe now we should pass in the tree instead, the way I did it in this ADSR thing. So we've got, yes, we've got tree. So we go tree, tree, and then the attachment, or actually let's go into the constructor real quick, and we say tree state in the constructor tree state. Okay. Audio processor tree state. And then now can I do this? Tree. And then this is drive ID. Oops. And then the fader. Okay, is that gonna build? Yeah, boy. Okay. And okay, we're constructed. So let's test it by taking the clipper module dot prepare. Where's the process block? Set parameter, this one. We'll take that and we'll put it in here. Drive, pass it drive. It's probably all we need. Put this back to true. Okay. Let's go ahead and build. Cool. Let's open good old Logic there. Okay, let's take a look. So let's see if this is happening. Okay. It's definitely connected. So Clipper module that set parameter drive Clipper. It's set to soft Clipper right now. Drive that set target. And soft clip. I could try. Hold up. Debug. See if that works. Oh, wait. I'm gonna need to go back into here. Oh, I already took it out. Okay. Getting a bunch of zeros. Hold up, parameter value. Why is it 0? Oh. Oh, man. This is why. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Yep, works. Let's see if it's still smooth. Yep, still smooth. Very good. All right, we got something going here. So it is a little annoying to set up. It takes a little bit of time, as we've seen, but it does make the project so much easier to read, comprehend what's going on. Because if you have these components and you say window component, Clipper component, pre-tone component and post-tone component. It makes a lot of sense because you know what that is in the plugin, what object that represents, and then now all of this code is contained within those files. That way your plugin editor, CPP and header file doesn't get super long. So yeah. Now I guess we can start doing the same thing to the pre-tone and post-tone. Let me go ahead and commit what I've done. Okay. Component. Oh, and let's add a toggle. We're gonna go into Clipper component, and we're gonna say, I guess I'll just put it at the top. OV toggle. Yeah, module bypass, and I kind of forgot the things I need to do for my toggles, but let's go ahead and say add and make visible module bypass, and we'll say module bypass dot set, forgot what it's called, toggle type, toggle style. So LV toggle, nope, what is it? It's juice. LV toggle style, a power, and I think that's all we really need. So let's put the toggle right after this. So let's say module bypass dot set bounds. I guess we'll say clip group dot x plus, I don't know, left margin, and then I guess we'll say the same thing but with y, and then top margin, and I assume I'm gonna have to scale those down. I kind of forgot what the width needs to be. Let's just try that, see what it looks like. Very cool. Oh, let's do that anyway. Okay, and I forgot I want to take out this circle thing right here. So I guess I did that in another play, and this is why it'd be great if I can figure out how to load in my widget stuff. So like all of my different components in my style sheet as a juice module, so that I don't have to keep copying and pasting it between project and project, and then get into this situation where it's not the same as a previous project that I had done. So draw linear slider is going to be draw button or something like that, draw toggle button, and just take out this draw ellipse, I think, and oh, nope. Auto color path stroke button, add ellipse. Is it that one? Oh, you know what? It's probably not that one. It's probably this one. I forgot I have two. There's a power button and a phase button. Yep. Very cool. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to make the width of this slider. I'm gonna have to make the slider skinnier because it's... Well, maybe not. Oh, it'll be okay. Yeah, once I move it. Okay. So, close my widgets there. Flipper component. And, let's just say divided by 2. And top margin divided by 2. That should push it over in a general left direction. It's better. That's probably going to be where I want. Yeah. And let me, yeah, I'm going to make this fader not as tall. So we're going to say drive fader height. Let's see, what does 4.5 look like? Better. Okay, and then push it down. The drive slider, top margin times 2. Okay, good. That's good enough, right? It would be really cool if I could make a little squiggly line right here. Yeah. And then after I get all these components laid out and stuff, I might look at other plugins and just try to polish this up a little bit. I'm not much of a graphic designer, but I feel like I can pull a little bit of quality out if I just kind of study other plugins and see what they're doing. I wonder, should I put the little hover thing? Yeah, I think I want to put a little, like when the mouse gets into the button, change the color. Okay. I just watched a tutorial on it, so let's see if I can implement it. I'm guessing I'll put it in the class because I'll basically want all of them to do that. So I think I need to do void mouse inner. Is it gonna autocomplete? Let's see, juice. Mouse inner. Component mouse inner. This. Void mouse inner. Override. Oh, why did it do all this nonsense? think that should be okay, right? So we'll have a bool is mouse over. We'll set it to false. And then we'll do the same thing, but with a mouse exit. Mouse enter and mouse exit. And we'll say is mouse over false in exit true. And then we'll say, I think, oh, I'm gonna need a, we're gonna need a paint method. Can I just add a paint method? Okay, I guess so. Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Wait a minute. Maybe I don't have to do that. Hold up. Can I just say maybe I'll just try this. Set color, juice toggle. Thick color ID. Let's make it like white smoke. And then maybe, actually, hold up. I think this might be what I want. Do that, and I'll say white smoke. Oh, how'd that happen? Probably not gonna need these bools after all. Hey! Maybe I should do a... I don't really know what color I should do. See, I can take this out. Oh man, I also need to fix my Stream Deck. My marker thing isn't working. So if I go back to Twitch and I go to create stream marker, count Dr. Bruisin. Okay. Does it work now? No. Count Dr. Bruisin. I don't know why it's not working. Twitch Studio. Damn. Well, not sure why it's not working, but I'm gonna have to look that up. Anyway, very cool. Oh, let's change the color. Maybe just bring the alpha down. Okay, maybe too much. Doesn't really need to be perfect. I got the functionality, it's working. Okay, that's good enough. The user knows whenever the button's clickable. I wonder if I should do that for the feeder. Because I might as well, it's so easy. All I have to do is put the mouse enter exit. Fader. Let's go ahead and drop that bad boy. Oh, well, it doesn't need to be public, one thing. So let's take set color, thumb color right here. Okay. So let's, what should I do? Bring the alpha down, maybe? Oh wait, did I do something wrong? Toggle. Oh. Why did it change the... It took the shadow off. I don't know why. It's taking the shadow off. What happens if I take init shadows and put it in mouse exit? Apparently, init shadows isn't all that needs to be done. I need to say set component effect. Maybe I don't even need init shadows. Maybe just set component effect. Interesting. Okay. Why is... Oh, maybe it's just fooling. Okay, so seeing the shadow disappear might just be fooling me, thinking that the other colors are changing. Okay, cool. I only need it to change very slightly. Yeah, like that. That's pretty cool. Now let's do it to the dials. So the dials, we've got thumb color, which is it the same thing? Pretty much, but instead of dial shadow, are the colors different? Well, by a little bit. Okay, let's see what that looks like on the dials. Let's change it to something ridiculous. Maybe it's a different color. Actually, yeah, I think the color is different. Let's see. Draw rotary slider. Let's see. Outline. Set color. some color, but this is probably it. This is the only thing that looks blue, unless it's the fill. It might be the fill. That's got to be what it is, right? Because hold up, let's take this out and see if that actually changes the dials. Yeah, that's it. This. So why is it not doing anything? Oh, it is. Okay, maybe. Maybe that's just super not seeable because of the color. Yeah, maybe instead of changing the alpha for this one, I'll just change the darkness and make it 0.9. Yeah. And maybe I'll go a little bit more. Let's go 8. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. All right, let's commit that. Man, I'm glad that worked and wasn't really that difficult to figure out. I bet if we didn't have this contained, like, okay, if I didn't have these widgets contained into their own class, that wouldn't have been nearly as easy and it would have gotten really messy in the project. So I'm glad that worked out. What's next? Well, I guess we can start with the pre-tone, turn the pre-tone into a component. Let's go producer and template, and we're gonna say yep, and we're gonna say add new component, and this will be it's the LV pre-tone component. Yep. Yes, sir. Where is it? Oh, I thought I clicked it, but I guess it didn't. So what am I gonna do? I can just copy and paste most of this. Let's say let me start with this. This will be easy. Sure. Okay. The paint method can be empty, right? Yep. Paint method can be empty. Uh-huh. And we're just gonna grab the pre-group and put that in here. We need, what are our includes? We need that. Uh-huh. We need to call add and make visible. Actually, I just go to this and yep, free stuff. That unknown type add and function definition not allowed here. What? It doesn't like something. Void set width and height. Set width and height. Tone component. What's your issue? What? Yeah, anyway. So let's put that in pre-tone and resize. And then in this one, what did I need in resize? Let's... Oh, I didn't make a pre-tone object. That's probably why. What am I doing? Header. Pre-tone component, I need to pass it pre-state. Okay. Constructor. Tone component. And I need to go resized and say retone and basically say the same stuff here. Retone component. Retone component. This is going to be based off of retone component. This one's 24. You know what? I don't know what that used to be. Oh, I can just go into here and plug in editor CPP. Nope. Resized. Regroup was left margin. Okay. That. Okay. And then pre-tone. This. Regroup dot set bounds. Bro, what is this? What is your deal? What is wrong? Oh, there's a missing. Oh, that happened. I'm gonna keep all this stuff in there because I'm gonna be putting some dials in there. Let's see if this works. Hey, look at that. So if I go into here and I say, did I already take that pre-group stuff out? I guess so. UI constructor. No more pre-group, post-group. Okay, so that was pretty easy because I don't have any dials or anything yet, so it wasn't really that much to take out. Let's keep going. Let's do the post tone. Let's see here. We're gonna say UI components. Add new component, split between CPP and header. Header. Post tone component. Create files. Oh, did I? Yep. Really? There we go. So we can take the post group, put that in here. Let's take a look. We need that We need this. Oh, we also need our includes. And we need the tree. Very good. Put this tree in the constructor. Get rid of that. Implement this. Post that. Let's see. Put that stuff in resized. And this is gonna be post group. And then post stuff. Post. We need to include it. I can probably make a UI components includes just like I did with the widgets right here. And I will make a LV post component, call it post component. I will go put it in the constructor and pass in the value tree, which is audio processor.tree state. I will go into UI constructor. I will say add and make visible to the post component. Go into resized and say, let's see, post stuff. I will say post component dot set width and height. Width and height. And then I'll just say set bounds. And set it to the same stuff I did here, I guess. Clipper component. Okay. Let's see, is that it? Oh, I need a semicolon right here for one thing. Okay, just stop. Do it again. Oh, it worked? Hey, look at that. Perfect. All I need to do is get rid of this. And look how much cleaner this is. Now our entire resize function for all that pre stuff, clip stuff, and post stuff is just this. Even when we add more dials, it's going to be just this. When we add more components, we're going to add them in these component classes. Just like this, just like the clipper. So imagine if we didn't have, or let's imagine this, the clipper. Look at all this stuff in here. We're going to add that same amount of stuff almost into the post tone and pre-tone. So imagine all of this times 3 inside our plugin editor. Yeah, so that's going to be a lot of cleaned up code. So, and I guess we're going to also turn the header into a component like that. Hey, what's up, Just Steve? Oh, I hope you haven't been waiting too long. I haven't been looking at my chat because I hadn't seen anybody in here. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the header into a component also. And then, yeah. Oh, let's add the mouse over to the menu. All right, so that all works. Let me let's see. Post tone component skeleton done. Something like that. Oh, thank you. Do you do audio programming? What was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna go into widgets. And I'm gonna go into, what is it? Menu. And I'm gonna take the same mouse enter and mouse exit, override, and yeah. Menu, I can let me just make a private field. Classic web developer. Nice. Wait, what do you mean classic? Like HTML, CSS, React, Bootstrap? Angular and C# have to work on back end. Yeah. Yeah, because React didn't really replace Angular, right? Because I see a lot of job posts that still ask for Angular. I mean, obviously there's a million that ask for React, but I still see a lot of Angular stuff. Okay, what am I gonna change? I'm gonna change the color. This one, I guess. And let's make it brighter whenever I mouse over. Oh, very cool. That's kind of ugly, but at least it works. Hold up. Can I just do, it was 0.1, so let me do like 0.15. I'm not even sure how I want. Let me take a look at what this looks like and then think about it. If I, let's make, okay. Let's give this, let's just have no background. Really? You're not gonna autocomplete for me? With alpha, and then we'll say, I don't know. Let's just say that, and then when I mouse off of it back to no alpha, let's see what that looks like. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. So instead of this, let's do white smoke. Both of nice features. I've heard about plugins for DAWs, but know nothing about the code and what you have to care off. Oh, your English is good. Just at the very end, what you have to care off. I'm not sure what you mean. What you have to. What's about the code? What you have to. I'm not really sure what you mean by care off. I think that's the only part I didn't get. There we go. Still not like beautiful. Let's maybe no outline is what I want. Although having the outline is going to make it easier for me to position it correctly. Yeah. I mean, if I want to design a website, it's easy for me, but what are you working on? It's a simple value you change and it sounds different, or do you have to calculate? Yeah, you do have to. So everything I'm doing at the moment is all GUI based, so it's very easy. You know, I'm just basically making method calls to the framework, which is simple. But I'm also overriding some of the drawing and like drawing in my own stuff. So there's a little bit of calculation, but on the audio side, if I go into one of my DSP files right here, which one? This one. So this is a distortion. So basically I'm taking the input of what's coming in from the DAW, which is this audio block. You loop through it in both channels and then you do something to the audio. So in my case, for a soft clipper, it's this algorithm right here. And for a hard clipper, I used just a different polynomial algorithm. And then after that, I'm just like clipping it off of the top and then returning that input. So yeah, for distortion, you're just taking the input in, doing some math, some kind of shaping like that you would do like on a graphing calculator. You can like apply those like shapes to the audio and it'll sound like distortion. For other stuff, delay and reverbs, or let's say like delay, you're actually delaying the samples coming in and, you know, doing some stuff with that. Filters, so that would be like an EQ, or based off of delay lines, also like a single sample delay, and then, you know, some stuff. So yeah, it's not impossibly hard, but I don't know, it was a struggle at the start. I've gotten a lot better at it. I've been doing it for a few years now. Let's see, what was I doing? Okay, cool. That's more or less, I think, what I wanted to happen. So that's kind of cool. I think I want to turn this header into a component because I'm gonna have this black rectangle, my logo. This is the oversample menu. I'm gonna have another menu called color for the clipper, and then I'm gonna have another menu called type, right? Already forgot. Yeah, clip type, color, and quality. Those are going to be 3 menus at the top. Yeah. good thing is this framework, Juice, makes it really easy. Like, it's already, you know, like pulling the samples in for you, and it gives you like a way to loop through them, and then you can do your own math. So yeah, if I didn't have a framework to do this, I have no idea if I'd be capable of doing this. It certainly wouldn't look as nice. Let's see, how's that look? Okay. Cool. Let's see. Should I? Oh, I'm actually. Yeah, I was about to get off. I usually stop at 7:30. Thanks. Yeah, so I was about to get off. I usually stop at 7:30. So I usually stream this Juice development Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 5:30 Central Time to 7:30 Central. Today I streamed this just because I really wanted to keep working on this. I had a cool idea. And then on Mondays I do music production from 5:30 to 7:30, and Fridays I usually like play Skyrim from 5:30 to 7:30. And then at night on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday I'll play some other game. Like I've been playing No Man's Sky, and I think I'm about to start playing Scum. Yeah. So if you want to join our Discord, it's in my Twitch bio. We talk about gaming and Juice development, and you know, any other kind of development. So yeah, thanks for popping in. Sorry to leave so soon, but this is the time I normally get off. But thanks for watching. I hope you join our Discord. It'd be fun to talk to you there. All right, let me switch over to my ending screen, and I'll be seeing you. Thanks for watching.